We're in the master bedroom now, slash office, slash whatever you want it to be, but really it's a bedroom. We did our very decorative wall over here. It's a type of board and batten. It's actually on our YouTube channel if you want to see the whole process on how to do it. This type of board and batten just gives more of a 3D effect, and it makes your small bedroom really cool and bring out, like, make it look bigger a bit. Another quick tip on how to make it bigger is to look that way. So it makes it look much bigger. If we did not have this, it would look very small in this bedroom. Another tip I want to point out again is that yes, we only have 2 bedrooms in here, and it's such a small space that we didn't want to mix up the colors with the light fixtures or the bathroom fixtures and stuff. So we made sure that this was still the same color and the same actual light fixtures in each bedroom, and they work just the same.